Cancer. I need to tell you the 3 planets that are going to largely and majorly affect you. They're Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. Now, Jupiter entered your sign in 2013 and began a cycle of prosperity. Now, this planet of abundance is in your 2nd house of money until August 11, 2015, after which it enters your 3rd house of communications and intellectual interests. Thus, learning and teaching becomes a major focus. Saturn will spend most of the year in your 6th house of health and work. You need to pursue a healthy lifestyle and daily disciplined health regime. Since Saturn is in your love planet, it shows important changes in your love life and in your attitude towards love. Uranus has been in your 10th house of career for some years and will be there in 2015 too. This indicates many career changes happening. You could face some instability but also excitement as new opportunities merge. One more planet is affecting you majorly this year, that's Neptune, and it affects your 9th house of religious and spiritual beliefs. This brings in refinement to your beliefs. They are being laced with conviction in spiritualism. Most important interests in the year ahead will be finance. You will find a fulfillment this year. Now, all these years you were working hard, but 2015 is where the abundance takes place. That means the rewards of your hard work done in the past. You could expect a general improvement and advancement the year around. Health remains good. Finances will be on the upsurge, and you will find plenty of situations where you can showcase or utilize your intellect. Do not think of changing or switching careers until and unless there is an absolute need for it. Arguments with individuals are best avoided, or best retain your calm and listen them out before giving in to your judgment. You will face many surprises during the course of 2015. Dealing with each situation wisely will help you get everything in order and to your liking. Impulsive or irritable temperament will not pay. Be conscious of your secret strengths and abilities and confident of your ideas. In 2015, your 6th sense does wonders for you, emotionally, financially and socially. So make sure you listen to your inner voice. In career matters, embrace challenge and be unorthodox. Do not fear risk, especially calculated ones. Especially the ones that are coming in February, March and September. Finances should be improving. Place greater value on your own feelings and perspective in all kinds of bonds. Now I'll go a little bit in detail where your love life and career is concerned. Love life. For those who are single and are already mingling, this year is a harbinger of good news. You could find the love of your life. So wait no longer, tie the knot. Married couples will have good mental and physical rapport with their partners. Those of you expecting to extend their family will be more than fertile. New relationships are favored in comparison to getting back with older romances. True love finds its way knocking your heart unexpectedly. Well, in your career, be motivated to start new beginnings in your professional life. The initial months are conducive to start your own business or venture, and you could probably venture out in the field that inspires you the most. You could expect good incentives and promotions in your career. Foreign trips are very much on the cards. Those looking out for jobs will have to be patient for some time as luck starts to figure after your birthday month of July. Finances. Finances need to be carefully observed as you make investments in the right path. Your financial transactions should be completed in the best possible way by mid-March or April. The needs of family members will increase, so monitor your expenses carefully. Even though abundance is seen, yet a careful watch over expenses will ease out any unexpected incidentals. By incidentals, I mean medical expenses. A career tip for you. Wisdom lies in investing money in new business ventures, especially around the mid of 2015. Buy what you need and not what you desire. Temptations need to be avoided. All the changes happening in your career have a cosmic agenda behind them. There is liberation happening. You may start following the career of your dreams. Many obstacles and obstructions will be blasted away. Change is actually liberation, so embrace it. Cancerians, you people are more conservative and wouldn't like a change. But this year, if you make a change, it calls for liberation, so embrace it. Good luck.